Get yourselves ready for...
To Jurassic Park.
That's right, we're about to see the famous picture cars and set pieces from the Jurassic Park movies. Oh, don't worry about the dinosaurs. I put them away in these cages right over. I don't see the dinosaurs right now. I'm gonna call it in. In the meantime, take a look over to the left side of the tram. You'll see a picture car called the Mobile Lab, featured in this scene from the Lost World Jurassic Park. I'll find out where the dinosaurs are. Yeah, hello? We're in the Jurassic Park area. We don't see any of the dinosaurs. No, they're not in any of the cages. They must have escaped. Oh, never mind. I found them. All right. Okay. Send somebody for help. All right, folks. Our Dilophosaurus got loose again. Yeah, Dilophosaurus are spitting dinosaurs. A little consolation for those of you that got hit by that mistake. Dilophosaurus might be the dinosaurs featured in the next Jurassic Park movie. That's right, there's talk about bringing them back for a fourth Jurassic Park film. Now, weather played an important role in Jurassic Park movies. Remember, it was a catalyst to get all the action going in that first movie? I wonder what the weather will be like here in the back lot. Let's find out. From America's favorite weatherman, the Today Show's Al Roker.
Hi, everybody. Here's today's forecast for the Universal Backlot. It's going to be sunny and dry.